stretching his arm.
Oh, no.
Looks like their eyes are kind of closed, aren't they?
They look kind of drowned. Oh, there we go. Is it scratchy balls? He's like chilling out like you. That's right. What is he? Where's he going? What the?
Don't they have pockets?
I think it's the female that has, isn't it? Maybe the males do too.
Okay. Are these all males?
Are you getting a video?
Yeah, it's a full video. Do you want to be in it? It's going to be on YouTube. Do you want to be in it? Do you want to be in it?
Sensation,
No? Do you want to be in it?
No.
No? Okay. Your hiccups are still there.
They're kind of like funny shaped rabbits, aren't they?
They're just chilling.